Hello everyone and welcome back. Todd Federman from Montclair State. We've talked about animation a little bit and now we're going to get into triggers and timing. A trigger is what causes the animation to appear and the timing tells you how long the animation will take. Alright, let's go into normal mode so we can see the entire slide. Over here we have our information. We have several text boxes. We have a graphic of the Grim Reaper. Let's see what animations are attached to these items. So we're going to open up the animation tab and we're going to open up the animation pane. We're going to get a little Dropbox icon out of the way. We see here are the animations, and by the way, once you click the animation tab, you notice how there are numbers. This is the first animation. The Grim Reaper is the second. Socratic is a man is third. So we have 6 different animations for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different items. And now let's take a look at an individual animation. We're going to select an animation. Let's go with the very first text box. And we're going to click the pull down menu. We see the trigger is start on click. And here's timing down here. So the trigger tells us what starts it. So that first text box is going to start on click. We could have said start with the previous animation, or we could have said start after the previous animation. And I encourage you to take your time and play with these animations to see how the different things start. Let's go to our next slide and let's see if we can change something. But let's play all. Before we get started, let's play all. We see the animations appear one at a time because they're all set to start on click. Let's look at all of them. Number 6, start on click. Let's have the picture of the Grim Reaper show up at the exact same time as the first text box. So we're going to select the Grim Reaper. We're going to go to the animation pane. We see picture number 34 is highlighted when I select the Grim Reaper. That is picture number 34. We have a pull down menu. I'm going to change the trigger. Instead of start on click, I'm going to change it to start with previous. Did the wrong one. Start on click. Number 2, start with previous. And now you see how number 1 has 2 parts to it. The picture now will appear with the text box. Let's go to slideshow mode. Now when I click, the first text box with the picture of the Grim Reaper shows up simultaneously. Because we took the Grim Reaper and said, start with previous. Okay, now let's take a look at timing. Let's have this blue bar appear very slowly. Let's take a look at it right now. Let's select the blue bar. Then in the animation pane, we're going to find the straight connector. Then in the pull down menu, we're going to go to timing and we're going to change the timing. Then we're going to go to slideshow. So I'm going to select the blue bar and now we're going to go to timing. Right now it's set for a duration of 0.5 seconds. I can change that to 3 seconds, or I can also manually change it. Click OK. And now you see the timing bar has widened dramatically, and you can actually click and drag this yourself. You can click it and drag it to change the amount of time. Here we go. I just changed it to 8.2 seconds. Now let's take a look at it in slideshow mode. All men are mortal. Socratic is a man. And now the line is being drawn very slowly. There we go. Okay, we looked at triggers and timing. You can start on click. You can start with a previous animation. You can start directly after. So you don't need to click anything. Start after means an animation will appear, and then the next one will appear without a click. Any questions, please email me. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you get a chance to watch the rest. Take care.